One way to create a card is to create it right in the library or folder where you want it to live. To begin, select the library icon in the left navigation panel. Choose the library or folder where you want the card to live by highlighting it and clicking on the Create tab. You will have the ability to choose a card from your recently used templates or from the entire template gallery. Each card will have different areas that you can customize with text and imagery. For example, this card will allow you to change, move, or resize the image in the left panel. To the right, you have options to add and edit the text, upload an image or logo, and change the transition style and background color. Once you have finished customizing the card, name it and select Save in the upper right-hand corner. Now, the card has been successfully created and is saved in the Common Library.